Okay, so we're coming up from the Cobridge Test Centre.
Yeah.
We're going to go left at this roundabout,
Okay.
which is your first exit. Yeah. Now, a lot of the time when you're on the sat nav will be telling you to go left and then straight. Yeah.
Okay.
So the examiner comes in and he gives you a bridging instruction. So a bridging instruction takes it from what the sat nav says, and then they say, and then you want to get into the right lane. So sometimes what happens with people, they hear what the examiner says, even though the sat nav says left, and they hear right, and then they go into the right lane, right? Yeah. But the sat nav is telling you we are going left, and then you're going to get into the right lane for going straight, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So here we go. Check my mirrors, make sure it's clear here, give a signal. Can you see that lane? The right lane is for going straight and right. This one is going left, but the bridging instruction says once you've gone left, get into the right lane for going straight.
Straight, yeah.
Okay. This next roundabout coming up, if you look early, you can see it's clear. And then this roundabout, we're taking the second exit. Try not to go on the cobblestones, yeah? But if your wheels do go over them, it's not the end of the world, because the lines around them are now broken. They're not solid.
Yeah.
Okay? So because they're solid, if they're solid, you can't enter.
Okay.
But if they are broken, then you can enter if it's safe to do so, yeah?
Okay.
When they used to be a while back, they used to be solid, right? Yeah. No, not that one. I'm not going to go that one. I'm going to go a little bit further down. Right. So that's number one.